What's up YouTube? I'm Joe, you're watching Ink&Iron. Real quick video today. I'm going to see if I can clean a ceramic stone with some Barkeeper's Friend. Supposedly this stuff works. I'm going to use a scrubbing sponge from the dollar store and just a little bit of water. So the goal is to get this looking more like its clean edges or the fine stone over here. Just a little less loaded, a little nicer to work with. Well, what do you know? It actually works. I don't think it's going to get perfectly clean, but definitely an easy way to maintain your stones. Okay, let's rinse this off and get a final look. Okay, all dried off. Let's get a comparison to the fine stone. It's not perfect. I definitely spent more time on this side, but yeah, I think Barkeeper's Friend definitely works. Shout out to Triple B for sharing that tip. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know if it would work until I tried it myself. And am I bleeding? The heck is that? Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I've been Joe, you've been watching Ink&Iron. If you like this kind of content, want more quick tips and tricks as well as EDC, pen, knife content, that kind of thing, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out my Patreon for more free content. Alright, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.